what you'll be using today is a piece of paper. I just had this cardstock laying around, but you can use a white printer paper. And then you'll need also 2 more. So 3 papers in total. I have 2 different colors because these are gonna be your hands and I want to stand out on this sheet of paper. But if you only have white paper, have no fear. Just have your kids color their hands, okay? Scissors, tape, or glue, whichever one you have. You can use the glue or you can use tape. All right, so you'll need a pen too, I forgot to add. So we're gonna trace our hand. Got your scissors. And remember, kindergartners, ask your parents. And you're just going to cut on the line. Glue the palm. So let's use it. So now we can use it with math. So let's say we have, let's put these down. Okay, we have 2 fingers, so let's work on this problem. So 2 plus 1, so we have 2 fingers plus 1 more. How many fingers are you holding up? 1, 2, 3. 3. So you'll write 3. What about 4? Let's put 4 fingers up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 1 equals, how many is this holding up? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, you kind of get the gist with the plus. Now let's move over to the takeaway, which is subtraction. So we just did addition, but you can also use this for subtraction, which I love because it's versatile. All right, so our first subtraction problem is 3 minus 1. So if we have 3 fingers, okay, 3 fingers up, and we take 1 away, how many are remaining? 2. So we'd write a big 2 right there. What about 5 minus 2? So let's put up 5 fingers and we take away 2. So 1, 2. How many is left? 1, 2, 3. So 3. And this is just so simple and I love it because it's so hands-on and I think it's just so neat to do with your students. So this can really help with math and I hope you enjoy it.